Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button that you see at the top left corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different items that you can shop for. Now, when you are interested in a particular product, you can open it up and you will see the seller details. Click on the seller's name and you will see the contact option. You can also directly click on the contact seller option at the right side to end up within the contact page. Once you click on this button, you will be able to choose your option on whether this is about the specific item or not. After choosing the appropriate option, click on continue and now you will be able to send a direct message. Just type in your desired message within the given box, and if you have any photos that will support your message, you can click on the plus icon to upload photos as well. You can then click on the send message option to send your message to the seller, and now you will simply need to wait until the seller will reply to your message, which you will be notified on within the notification bar at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to message a seller on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.